Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the latest products to help you make informed choices. Today, we're going to be reviewing the Oral-B IO Series 9 electric toothbrush in Black Onyx with 3 replacement brush heads. It's marketed as the most advanced toothbrush from Oral-B, promising impressive features like 100% more plaque removal in just 1 week compared to a manual toothbrush. Let's take a closer look at how this high-tech toothbrush stacks up. The Oral-B IO Series 9 offers a range of advanced features designed to elevate your brushing routine. It comes with a dentist-inspired round brush head, which helps remove surface stains and promises whiter teeth from day one. The standout feature here is the AI position detection, which uses smart technology to track where you're brushing across all surfaces of your teeth, ensuring full coverage. You'll also get 7 distinct cleaning modes, allowing you to customize your brushing experience to suit your needs. There's a colored interactive display that tracks your brushing time and gives you real-time feedback, making sure you're always on track. Plus, with 3 replacement brush heads included, you've got the convenience of extra heads right out of the box. Now let's talk about the real-world experience. Setting up the Oral-B IO Series 9 is a breeze. Simply pop on the brush head, charge it up, and you're good to go. The interactive display is easy to read, and I found it really helpful for tracking my brushing time. The AI positioning detection is a game changer. It vibrates when you're brushing in the wrong spot, or if you're spending too much time in one area. It's a bit like having your very own personal dental assistant guiding you to brush better. I've been using it for about a week now, and I've definitely noticed my teeth feel cleaner, especially along the gum line, where I tend to miss with manual brushing. However, the brush can feel a bit bulky for some, and it's not the most travel-friendly device due to its size and the charging base, which is a bit larger than expected. So, what are the pros and cons? On the plus side, the Oral-B IO Series 9 definitely excels in performance. The plaque removal is noticeable right away, and the brushing modes allow for a highly personalized clean. The AI position detection is an excellent feature, especially for those who want to up their brushing game. The build quality is top-notch, and the sleek black design adds a premium touch to your bathroom counter. On the downside, the toothbrush is on the heavier side, and its larger size means it's not the most portable for travel. Also, while the price tag might seem steep, you're definitely paying for that advanced tech and extra brush heads. Is it worth the investment? Well, for its price, you're getting a high-tech toothbrush with features that might just change the way you think about oral hygiene. The ability to track your brushing, the customizable modes, and the whiter teeth promised right from the start make it a solid option for those serious about improving their dental care routine. But if you're just looking for a basic toothbrush, this might be overkill. Comparing it to other electric toothbrushes in the market, Oral-B's IO Series 9 stands out with its AI position detection and interactive display. While other brands like Sonicare offer strong alternatives, this one's AI-powered tech and the personalized guidance system take it to a new level of customization. The main drawback here is the price, which may be higher than some other electric brushes that still offer solid performance. As far as build quality goes, it's clear that Oral-B hasn't skimped. The materials feel durable, and the sleek Black Onyx design is elegant and modern. The large, ergonomic handle fits well in the hand, but it can be a bit heavy during longer brushing sessions. Since I've only been using it for a short time, I can't speak to its long-term durability, but given Oral-B's reputation, I'm confident it will hold up well. Customer support was not needed during my testing, but Oral-B has a solid reputation for providing reliable customer service and offering warranties on their products, which is always a plus. If you're looking for alternatives, the Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean offers a similar clean with fewer bells and whistles, and it may come at a more affordable price point, though it lacks the AI features of the IO Series 9. To wrap up, the Oral-B IO Series 9 is a game changer for those looking to elevate their oral hygiene routine with cutting-edge technology. Its advanced features, like the AI position detection and personalized guidance, make it a solid investment if you're serious about plaque removal and getting a cleaner, healthier mouth. However, If you're looking for something more compact or budget-friendly, there are alternatives worth considering. Is this review helpful? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so others can also find this video and make an informed choice about their next toothbrush. Thank you for watching, and if you've used the Oral-B iO Series 9, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Got questions? I'm here for that too. Until next time, stay fresh with Beautyistic.